Okay guys, let's start with a new video, and today we're going to make SMS text messaging inside of your application. Start by creating a new single view application. Create it HTTP 46elx API. That's what I will call my project. You can of course name yours whatever you wanted to. These settings should be great, and then press next and create. First of all, we will need the AlamoFire library, so let's start by downloading that. I have already taken up the AlamoFire GitHub, and you just download the zip file, go to your Finder and drag your AlamoFire.xCode project inside of your own project. Okay, so now that we have AlamoFire inserted into our project, let's go to build phases, link binary with libraries, press the plus button, and then go AlamoFire.framework and pick the first one because this is targeting to iOS. Press add, and go to general, then embedded binaries. This should be working right now. Let's go to the view controller and try to import AlamoFire. This compiles, we are all set to go, and so we are. Now that we have AlamoFire, let's go to our Chrome again, and now go to 46elx.com, and let's go to the English site and start registration here. It's all free, so you just enter your phone number and send a text. When you are inside of your dashboard, you will get your API keys, and this will be used inside of our app. Okay, let's create two variables or constants, username, and that is equal to your API key, and let password, which is also equal to your API key. It would look like something like this. And same goes with your password, but I don't want to share my API keys for obvious reasons. And in the view did load, let's start creating our first HTTP call to the 46elx API. Start by creating an array called parameters. First parameter we will have is from. This will be the phone number you will be sending from. With the 46elx API you can actually get new phone numbers, but for right now I will just add a fake number. Usually this will be from your own phone number, or you can actually send a text message right with a name. So you could just go like this. So let's say my name is Lucas. Or you could also go company name. Okay, our next parameter will be 2, and this should be the phone number that will be receiving the message. Actually, I forgot this. Okay, so like +44 and then just a few numbers. Then we have message, and this will obviously be the message you will be sending to the receiver. So hello world, let's go. And then we have flash SMS, and we'll be setting this to no. Flash SMS is also possible to send. So let's create another constant called credential. So NSURL credential user will be username, password will be password, and then we will be using for session. Okay, let's create an AlamoFire post call. Request, we'll be using .post. Should be all capital letters. Okay, and then we'll be using the https api.46alx.com/a1/sms, and inside here we will also call our parameters. Should be parameters, and that should compile. Great. Let's authenticate. Let's go with our, okay, so that is even easier to do. Dictate credentials. Okay, user credentials. Actually, we don't even need the credential data. I'm really sorry for that. Okay. Let's print our response. That we get. But first of all, we need to get the response string, so that is the problem. Response string. Response in. Okay, build is succeeded, so that should be everything we need to send our first SMS. Let's come, and as you can see, we actually have a problem here, which is the CF network SSL handshake failed. And the problem with this is the new Swift 2 and iOS 9 has set some restrictions to our unsecure connection with the 46alx API. So we need to add some more information to our info.plist. So I will actually have this in the description so you can copy paste it later on. Right click on this, open as source code. Okay, so here we will add this string that I will have in the description, and this will let us connect to stuff that is bad. Simply said. And as you can see, now we actually get connection, but it's failed, and that is because we have like bad URL keys. And that is everything you need. So with this, you will just need to add your own username and password that you will find in the 46alx API, and you will be set to go. Good luck with your application and have a nice day.